Here's a few little secrets or nuances in getting really good photography through the scope. If you look at how we do this, I am actually looking at a monitor right in front of me, seeing what I see through the scope. And all you really need to do is check up and avert your eyes up a little bit, and you can make sure that what you're recording or what you're taking a picture of is correctly focused. And you can see Joy is actually doing the same thing. She's snapping the picture and not having to change her head position at all, just averting her eyes. So I'm looking at that monitor, and then I tell Joy, go, and she takes it as we're working. So it's possible to do this seamlessly and to have pretty much every single picture exactly like you want it in the proper focus if you're set up ergonomically with that monitor right in front of you. So we've added a monitor in our demo lab just to duplicate what we have in our office, and this is what Joy's screen shows. So you're seeing what Joy actually sees as she's snapping these pictures every time I say go. So I'm looking at that monitor right in front of me, so I don't even need to turn my head. I just need to avert my gaze up slightly. When I like what I see, I say go. Joy snaps the picture, and it goes right into the digital record. I don't have to look at it later. I don't have to bring it up in the image organizer. I know that it will be good. So this is actually very, very simple. Our next video will maybe demonstrate how to get a little bit greater depth of field. It's pretty easy to do, but here you can see in our depth gauge that there's not a great deal of depth of field, but it's a very simple matter to change the iris, close it down, and get very good depth of field effortlessly.